like, oh, well, no Grand Cru, then, why should I even bother with the region? Hey, welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better, and today we're continuing our series about Burgundy on a budget. Today, we are again going to taste a white wine. This guy in particular from the Cote Chalonnaise. But, this Cote Chalonnaise region offers much more, right? It has white, red, sparkling Cremant. They do a lot of Cremant de Bourgogne, and even Aligote is available here. Vignerons is actually the appellation for Aligote, and we'll do a separate episode on that soon. I should probably also plan to do a Cremant de Bourgogne video if I grab a bottle soon. But here, I'm talking about the Cote Chalonnaise, which is the Chalon slope. Cote slope, Chalon, Chalonnaise. Quick Burgundy fundamental note, just for those who haven't been following along yet. When we talk about Burgundy and we're talking about White Burgundy, that's 100% Chardonnay. Red Burgundy is 100% Pinot Noir. As I've said in the prior videos, right, the problem with Burgundy is price. It continues to just go up and up and up and up, and it's really become hard to attain. Luckily for us, the Cote Chalonnaise it suffers from a bit of an inferior reputation. I think that's undeserved. It might be because the region lacks any Grand Cru vineyards that people are so impressed by. So it's like, oh, well, no Grand Cru, then, why should I even bother with the region? But in the end, like this allows you to find a lot of value, and it offers, like I said before, a wide array of options. We mentioned Roulis, Mercurey, and Givry, maybe, on the Value Red Burgundy episode, and those are all part of the Cote Chalonnaise. Those are all appellations in the Cote Chalonnaise. For white, the same names can apply, right, because they do red and white in those appellations, or you can pick up a wine that's simply labeled Cote Chalonnaise. This means that, the grapes come from a bigger geographical area, right, less focused. As you can see from this wine map, the Cote Chalonnaise has a pretty big geographic area when compared to those appellations, and thank you to Wine Folly for these maps that they have that I am using here. The white wines are similar in quality to the Macon, right? They're well structured. They tend to have some oak influence, although this one may not. They lean towards the flavor profile of peaches, melon, orange when it comes to citrus, orange peel, and they can be floral as well. So now let's talk about this guy. This is a 2022 Bourgogne Cote Chalonnaise from Vignerons de Buxy. I think it's Buxy. This bottle can be had around the $18 mark, but you know what? If it stinks, that doesn't matter. So let's see if it's a good one for you to buy. This is aged actually only in stainless steel. There's no oak here, so we shouldn't get any oak influence. Let's see what we got. It's a pretty clean wine. It has a minerality to it that I smell. It has this vibe. I use this reference a lot. It has this vibe of circus peanuts, which is sort of like it's like a fake banana candy, but it has its own aroma, and this one definitely has. So I'm going to call it a little bit of a banana nose. There's definitely a floral note here. So bananas, circus peanuts, floral, little minerality. Not getting anything in the way of peaches and citrus, like I had said earlier. All right. Pretty light. You can see, actually I should go over here to the ceiling here. Pretty light wine. Since we're aged in stainless steel, it's not going to take on too much color or get darker. So on the palate, that tropical kind of fruit comes through. There's a touch of bitterness at the end, not an overwhelming bitterness, just a slight bitterness, which is kind of cool. I am getting melon vibes, kind of getting a cantaloupe, honeydew. This is going to be a really easy wine to drink. I think it's worth the price, $17, $18. I think you can find this. Cote Chalonnaise offers a lot of value, right? Nobody's really batting down the doors of the wine shops to go after these wines, so it provides you with an opportunity. I think there's a lot here to like, and I hope you get out and try some. If you actually have experience in the Cote Chalonnaise, whether that's with Mercurey or Givry or some of the other appellations, let me know some of your favorites in the comments. I'm always looking on the lookout for new wines that I haven't tried. That's about it. I appreciate the love and the support. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me. And, and then you won't miss any of the videos that I put out, which would be very exciting for you. If you're interested, if you didn't see the Macon, the Finding Value in Macon video, I'm going to put a link right here for you to check it out, just so I make it convenient for you to keep going without having to do anything else. Just hit that link. I'll see you soon. Cheers, folks.